Yeah, hey everyone, this is Dwayne with Dwayne's Diagnostics, and I am in Fresno, Texas today, working on this 2006 Nissan Frontier for a friend of mine, and I was actually here yesterday testing some stuff on this thing, but didn't actually have it totally confirmed what the problem was 100%, at least in my mind yesterday, and tested all kinds of different things, but wanted to use my scope to do a relative compression test on it, but for some reason my laptop wasn't working yesterday, so I couldn't do that relative compression test on it. But got the laptop working today, and this is the relative compression test I just took on it. Took on it a few minutes ago, and you can see on this test a lot of the cylinders are low. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And if I change the view here, you can kind of see it a little better in this view. That one's low, 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 that one's low. So very, very uneven compression. It's definitely got compression problems. And what I found on it yesterday was it was showing on the scan tool that bank 1 was at about -6 degrees, and bank 2 was at a positive 18 or 19 degrees. And both should actually be, that was during cranking, and both should actually be about 0 to 5 degrees during cranking. So the timing on both banks is off, which the relative compression test confirms that there's a definite compression problem on it. But I was going to show you on the scan tool so you can see what it's doing on bank 1 and bank 2 while it's cranking. And I don't know if you can see this very well, but this is bank 1 and bank 2 camshaft position that are both at 0 right now. And this is the injector pulse width for both banks. But you should be able to see when I crank it. See, it goes to -5 on bank 1 and 19 on bank 2. So that, along with the relative compression test, definitely confirms there's some kind of compression and timing problem on it. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Might just be a stretch chain or a jump chain or bad cam phasers. Pretty much would have to be one of those three. So just wanted to do a video on that to kind of get something new on my channel, and kind of do another little Diag video. But now I get the job of actually tearing this thing down. So that's probably all I got for this one. Oh, I was going to show you, actually, I got to go turn my clamp back on. I was going to try to show you the relative compression test live. Not sure if my scope is going to be froze up here or not. Looks like it's not. This is what it looks like live being caught on the scope. So there's a live relative compression test. But yeah, that's probably all I got on this one. So I will talk to you on the next one.